There are many ways to earn money. Growing mustache, one among them. Sounds strange, right? This news may sound weird to you, yet it's true. Police officers in Central Indian Territory of Madhya Pradesh are being paid a monthly bonus to grow their mustache, since the senior officials believe it makes them deserve more respect. Getting such recompensations can be odd news, particularly for modern Western culture. Most areas on the earth have 4 seasons in a year: winter, spring, summer, autumn. In a place which tropical and subtropical, there are 2 seasons: the monsoon and the dry season. This because the rain changes more than the temperature. But do you know, according to Hindu calendar, there are 6 seasons in India: spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter and winter. Hello everyone, Surya here. Welcome back to another episode of Wall of Wisdom. Just to be clear, in this episode I am gonna explain about 15 things you didn't know about India. If you wish to see this video in Telugu, please find the link in the description. The Kumbh Mela is held on the dates when the water of the sacred rivers are said to turn into nectar. The exact dates are calculated according to the combination of zodiac position of Jupiter, the Sun and the Moon. The Kumbh Mela is the largest gathering of the people on the planet, with millions attending each time the event occurs, roughly every 3 years. The Kumbh Mela is held in every 3 years and switches between 4 different locations: Haridwar, River Ganga; Prayag, Triveni Sangam of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati; Ujjaini, River Shipra; and Nasik, River Godavari. The Mela returns to each location after the span of 12 years. There are 19,500 known languages in our country. From the 22 recognized languages, with Hindi and English being the official languages. However, the commonly spoken languages are Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Urdu and Punjabi. In terms of ranking, Hindi stands in the 4th and Bengali stands in the 7th most spoken language in the world. Compared with other countries, India has only 1% of world's vehicles. But when compared with world's road accident, 73% of deaths due to road accidents happens in India. Indian spices are well known for their aroma, texture and taste. India produces almost all types of spices. There are 109 varieties of spices all around the world, from which India produces 75. India is also known with the name of the land of spices. India never invaded any country during the last 1000 years of history. But during the Second World War, India was controlled by United Kingdom. With the British holding territories in India, British occupied India officially declared war on Nazi Germany in September 1939. The British Raj, as a part of Allied nations, sent over 2.5 million of soldiers to fight under British command against the Axis power. During the World War II, India produced the largest volunteer army in world history. At over 5,000 years old, Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places on the earth. It is also one of the India's holiest cities. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva founded this city 5,000 years ago. India is the second largest English-speaking country in the world, with around 125 million speakers, about 10% of the population. It is the second only to the US, which currently has more than 300 million English speakers. Hinduism, the world's oldest religion, is the most popular religion in India. Nearly 80% of Indian population follows Hinduism. Islam is the second most popular with 14.2% of followers. Then the Christianity with 2.3%, Sikhism with 1.7%, Buddhism with 0.7% and Jainism with 0.4% of followers in India. The first rocket in India was transported on bicycle. It was so light and small that it was transported to Tumba launching station in Kerala by bicycle. ISRO's expenditure in last 40 years is equal to NASA's single year budget. ISRO established 8 years after Pakistan's Suparko. ISRO has launched 104 satellites, Suparko only 2, with the help of Chinese launch vehicles. London has more Indian restaurants than Mumbai or Delhi. In West Bengal, India, cows must have a photo ID card. India is the home to the world's first floating post office, which was inaugurated in 2011. Historians, writers, politicians and other eminent personalities across the globe have greatly appreciated India and its contribution to the rest of the world. Though these remarks are only the partial reflection of the greatness of India, they certainly make us feel proud of our motherland. We owe a lot to the Indians, who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made. Albert Einstein. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get further notifications. Like, share and subscribe.